Hi guys, and welcome to Beauty Cakes, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. And right now I do not have any makeup on. I am actually going to show you guys in this video how I apply my eyeshadow, or how I do an easy eyeshadow look. This video is going to be in 3 parts because I am going to do my whole face, but I am going to do it in 3 parts so that it is not long. And I am going to also be giving you guys an update on a lot of new products that I have got, because that's what I've been using recently. But right now this is like my go-to look. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I'm going to go ahead, and for the first part of my video, or this series, I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow. I always start off with my eyeshadow just because I like to clean it up, you know, before I put on foundation. And today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. That's what that looks like that. So before I go ahead and start with my eyeshadow, I am going to go ahead and use eyeshadow primer. I do usually always use eyeshadow primer, or at least concealer. I am using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and it's just the original one. Comes like this. I don't like this. I usually like the ones that come out in the squeezy tube. I mean, you can still squeeze it, but it's the same thing. Then just gonna apply this all over my eyelids. And then I'm just gonna blend it out. My finger. I really do like this eyeshadow primer. It's not the first time I've tried it. I've actually used it before, and it is one of my favorites. I can't use it that long though sometimes, because, or like if my eyes are irritated, like if I have like bad allergies, I can't use it too much or it'll burn my eyelids. But I don't have that problem right now, so it's good. And I'm downstairs in my dining area, so you might see my cats in my video right now. And Sammy wanted to make an appearance. That's my baby. He's not so little, but he also has an Instagram, Sammy and Perla. It's Sammy and Perla. I will leave their Instagram down below. That was off topic. So now I'm going to go ahead and go into my Soft Glam palette. I'm going to go ahead and pick up the color Rustic, which is this one right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my Real Techniques, the limited edition blending. And then last time I did this, I kept covering my face. So let's see if I can do it without covering my face. And I don't mind if my eyeshadow is a little messy, because of course I'm going to use the foundation to clean it up later. And you guys can do it however you want. And of course, I am not a makeup artist. I do makeup for fun. For me, it is art. Do it however you want. This is just how I do it. And I'm just making sure to blend in the crease really with this brown shade. I guess if you're lighter than me, you could probably use a color that's a little bit lighter, which they do have like options in this palette. So I guess if you were lighter than me, you could also use the one that's next to it, Sienna. My camera's not focusing. Or you could use the other one that's next to, this is the one I'm using. You could use this one if you were a little bit darker than me. So take some more, and I'm just going to keep blending. Let me bring you guys in a little bit closer so you can see more. There we go. Welcome to my face. Bring my mirror. Okay. And I'm going to do one eye at a time. So, all right. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go in with the flat shader brush. This is the Morphe M124. It's just a flat regular shader brush. And I'm going to go into the color Bronze. Right there. This pretty gold color right there. And so this palette, I'm actually going to go ahead and wet my brush This palette does have like fallout and stuff, but it's not like any other palette that it's not unlike any other palette that I use. I'm used to dealing with fallout. It's not massive fallout where it's like, I don't want to even use this where it's like all over my face, but it does have some fallout. So just in case that's something that bothers you. But it is very pigmented. And I like it. I actually like it. I'm glad that I picked this one up and I didn't get the one previously because everyone said that one was a big disaster. All right. I have that gold on there. I feel like it looks a lot more intense in person than it does on the camera. But it is a really intense gold. I really like it. And then I'm just going to go back in with Rustic and I'm just going to basically clean up where I might have gotten this color in that I didn't want it. I'm always hesitant to do tutorials because I'm like, people are going to think I'm crazy, but this is how I do makeup. If you guys don't like it, don't have to copy it. Next, I'm going to go in with this brush that I got from, I believe it was my BoxyCharm. It's the Step 3 Go Girl Go. It's just a little, like, it kind of looks like a flat shader brush, kind of, but smaller. And I'm going to go into the Amrezy highlighter by Anastasia, and it looks beautiful. And I do like this highlighter, but I feel like when I saw everyone swatching it, everyone that was using it made it seem like it was intense, like they would just pick it up and it was intense. I feel like I have to go in there and like, and then pack it on, because if I just lightly, it doesn't really do much. So I'm going to go ahead and just dip my brush in there. For this, I don't really need a lot, but... And then I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my brown bone area. And then, of course, I'm going to go back in my brush and basically clean it up again. And I'm okay with that. I'm perfectly okay with that. And then now I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye. Again, I'm going to go in, of course, with the color Rustic. I always do my crease first. I guess that's what everyone does, right? You always do your crease first. I don't know. You can do it in whatever order you want. This is just what works for me, how I like to do it. And I feel like my eyes are both shaped differently. So sometimes I feel like one looks better than the other. By the way, I really like these brushes. I actually have 2 of them because I like them so much. I really like this blending brush. And I also really like this Morphe brush that I use for packing. Never had a problem with any packing brush, but I like that one too. I feel like this eye is coming out better than this eye. It is what it is. Then, of course, I'm going to go back in with the color Bronze and put that on my eyelids. And I've also been using this spray, and I do like it. It does what it says it does, although I don't know if I would really replace my Smashbox with it, but it's a good, and I think the Smashbox is actually cheaper than that one, but it's good and it smells really good too. So if you have the money, I would say go ahead and get it. And they do have the mini too, but even the mini I believe is like $16. I guess I should find a dupe for that one, right? That'll be on my to-do list to find a dupe for this Tatcha spray. And I like try to use it sparingly, I guess, because I know it's expensive. Okay, So I have that on my eyelids. I really like this gold. The camera's not doing it justice. And then again, gonna go in with that crease shade and just clean up. And again with my little flat brush. And I'm gonna go into my Amorisi highlighter again. Go away, Irvin. Go away, Irvin. It's my husband's name, guys. And that is my eyeshadow. I'm obviously going to go ahead and clean it up with my eyeliner. I will be right back because I don't want to do my eyeliner on camera. You guys, this is exactly why I didn't want to do my eyeliner on camera, because I do stuff like this where this side turns out beautifully and this one looks like I didn't know what I was doing. So just wanted to come back to show you guys my error, but I will be right back. Let me go ahead and clean this up. All right, so I'm back. I still feel like my eyeliner looks crazy, but that's the point of my channel, is to show you guys that everyone's definition of beauty is different, and sometimes makeup can just get crazy. But anyways, this is good enough for right now. I can do my eyeliner, guys, sometimes. It doesn't always come out perfect, like right now. But the eyeliner that I used for my wing was the Tartelette, and I also used it for my waterline. And this eyeliner has double ends. I didn't like it at first, but now it's actually my favorite eyeliner. Tip looks like that, the liquid side. And then it has the pencil side, which is just a basic liner like that, rolls up, and I use that in my waterline. And now I am going to go ahead and apply my mascara. I am using my Benefit Roller Lash and my Marc Jacobs, what is this one called? Velvet Nori Major Volume Mascara. Again, I told you guys I don't use falsies. So let me go ahead. And first I do start with my roller lash. And I do leave my mouth open. I remember one time someone told me that whenever any girl applies mascara, they leave their mouth open. Let me know if you guys apply mascara with your mouth open in the comments below. I'm interested in knowing if you could do it with your mouth shut. I can. I just like to comb through my lashes with this stuff, so. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with the volumizing mascara. That's what the wand looks like. And the wand for the roller lash looks like that. It's a skinny one. I tried, guys. I tried to do it with my mouth closed. And I don't always use mascara on my bottom lashes. And I'm okay with that. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye. You can notice my lashes more on this side than this side. It looks actually better when I do it like this. Not trying to show you guys my neck, but next side. I am really bad at doing my makeup on camera. It's awkward. I probably look awkward. Let me know if you guys think I look awkward. All right. I feel like I always do one eye more than I do the other. It's like I love one side of my face more than I do the other one. One side always comes out better than the other one. And bam, we're done. Those are my lashes. They look a lot better than they did earlier. And this is my eye look. I like it. It's easy. I feel like it's just 3 colors. Anyone can do it. It's not all that 5 colors on your eyelid type of stuff. But that is it for this video. Of course, let me know if you guys like videos like this. If you want more simple eyeshadow looks, I like it. I like it. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you guys want something a little bit more dramatic. I can do that too. But of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All over the place. And then of course, I hope that you guys look forward to my next video where I will be showing you guys my foundation routine. And I will see you guys later.